Good morning. Today topic. Yesterday we are discussed about Kudankulam nuclear power project in the part of the Hoo's development, and next one Abidjan city. Abidjan city belongs to Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast belongs to African continent country. After industrialization, day by day modern industries are very developed. Modern industries are very developed. When industries are more developed, pollution is also increased. Fresh water is also total polluted. And next one important here, in industries are increased, agriculture sector, irrigation water is also increased. In beginning days, our human beings are early stage. Our people don't know how to doing the cultivation. They know only one, how to gather the food. They don't know how to product the food, how to product the agriculture crops. They don't know. That's why they are gathering the food, hunting the animals, collect the fruits and nuts and leaves, etc. The process continues some long years after our people start the cultivation. Cultivation started 12,000 years ago. Cultivation started 12,000 years ago. Before you don't know about the cultivation, they are only collect the food, hunting and gathering the food more than 2 lakhs years back. Hunting the animals and gather the food, collect the food, from moving to one place to another place for searching of food. But today, not like that. Today, agriculture very developed. Different crops are produced. Different food grains are available. Cultivation started from 12,000 years ago. 12,000 years ago. And modern industries are also started 400 years back. In 9th class syllabus, early days, more working hours, industry who are working the industries, poor people, they are working more working hours, morning, sunrise to sunset, means daily 15 hours, 14 hours, summer season, more working hours, winter season, less working hours. So sunrise to sunset, more working hours, less salaries. That is the condition that time. Now, day by day, totally change. Today topic, how to compare different countries or states. How to compare different countries or states. For example, India is one of the country, America is one of the country, Russia is one of the country, Pakistan is one of the country. How to compare between two countries? Means which country are developed, which countries are undeveloped. For example, America developed country, Russia developed country, England developed country, India developing country, Pakistan undeveloped country, Bangladesh undeveloped country. Means which is the developed countries, which is the undeveloped countries. How to compare between two countries? Depend upon per capita income. For example, in India, 28 states are there. Yesterday our CM, Telangana CM, is declared Telangana is the richest state in the country. Yesterday it was declared. For example, Bihar, not a richest state. Some states are very poor states are there in India. Punjab is the one of the richest state. So different states, different economical process are there, income sources are there, but in India 28 states there are no equal development. In for example, Telangana state is also declared our state CM KCR richest state. Okay. Now in our total 33 districts are there. All districts are there, no equal development still in Telangana. Hyderabad, Rangareddy, surrounding Hyderabad districts are very developed. Industries, more industries are there, were developed. But Nalgonda, some some area districts are not development properly. That's why your state government more concentration on that. Water supply, develop the agriculture, provide the jobs, etc. So, how to compare between two countries, among the countries or states? Between countries compare with the income. Which income? Per capita income. Per capita income, how to find out per capita? Per capita income, how to find out? Before you are understood about the national income. What is the meaning of national income? Already in 9th class syllabus, I will repeat it. Once again I will tell about that answer. National income means 1 year, one country total income known as national income. Means GDP, gross domestic product, GDP. GDP. In that different process are there. Final process that is called national income. National income means 1 year, one country total income known as national income. The simple answer. What is meaning of per capita income? How to find out? Per capita income find out from national income. What is the process? What is the formula? You know, in mathematics formula, how to find out the average? How to find out the average? Per capita income known as average income. There is no any doubt about that. Per capita income just like a average income. How to find out? Mathematics formula, average income you find out. Total income by total numbers. That is the process. That is the process. Here, total per capita income is equal to, you want to find out the per capita income. Per capita income is equal to total country income by total population of the country. Population of the country. Total income by population of the country. When you are doing like that, you are find out the per capita income. Small example, in your class, 30 members are there. English, mathematics are conduct the exam, 100 marks paper exam conducted, 30 members are present the exam. Total in mathematics exam, 30 members got the 2400 marks. What are the average marks of every student? How to find out? So listen here. How many 2400 marks? How many students are there? 30 students are there. Now 30, 2400 by 30. 0, 0 cancel. 3, 1, 3, 3, 8 are 24. Means averagely one student is got the 80 marks. That is the average. Really every student got the 80 marks? No. For example, one student got the 100 marks, one student is got the 90